everyone, Nicole here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the mobile presets you just ordered so that you can use them in your Lightroom CC mobile app. When you place your order, you'll receive a link to your files on Dropbox. Tap on this link and you'll see your files in Dropbox as shown here. Now, if you're using the Dropbox app, your screen may look slightly different than the one here, but the steps will remain the same, so don't worry. From here, you want to work with the mobile presets, so tap the folder called Mobile Files. When you tap that option, you'll see your mobile preset files. Now, sometimes they may appear with these weird black lines going through them, but don't worry, that's completely normal. Those lines will disappear as soon as you get these files into Lightroom. Now tap on one of these preset files, and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. If you're using the Dropbox app, you'll see the option to export the file. Tap that option. If you're just using Dropbox without the app, like I am in this tutorial, you'll see the direct download option instead. If you see that option, tap direct download. Now, if you're using an iPhone, after the file downloads, you'll see an option to open the file in Lightroom, as shown here. If you're using an Android, tapping direct download or export will actually save the files to the Files app on your phone. Don't worry, if you're an Android user, I'll show you how to import those files from that Files app into your Lightroom app in just a moment. So, iPhone users, tap the option to open that preset in Lightroom. You'll see it open up here, and we're just going to repeat that process for all of the rest of your presets in Dropbox. Now, if you're an Android user and your files are now saved to the Files app on your phone, no worries. Just go into your Lightroom gallery and tap the three dots in the top right corner. From here, tap Add Photos, tap From Files, and you'll be able to find your preset files wherever they're stored on your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and tap the preset file to add it to my gallery, and you can see that it just added it right there. Now from here, I'm going to show you how to save this preset into your presets menu. So go ahead and tap on one of these presets in your gallery, and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Tap Create Preset, and you'll see this box pop up. Under Preset Name, type the name of your preset. In this case, my name is Sample 1. Under Preset Group, go ahead and tap that arrow, and you'll see various preset groups show up. Now, in this case, I'm going to create a new preset group. I'm going to name this Sample. That way I know that all of the presets that I'm downloading here will be saved into this sample group so that when I go to use them later, I'll be able to easily find them. So I've named my preset. I have a group assigned. Next, tap the arrow next to Select and tap Modified. This way it saves all the correct settings that your preset will be changing on your photo. Now at this point, we've named our preset, we've assigned it a group, we've corrected the settings, so all you have to do now is just tap this check mark in the top right corner to save your preset. Now I'm going to go to my second preset in my gallery, and we're going to follow almost the same steps. So we're going to name this one Sample 2. Under Preset Group, instead of selecting Create New Preset Group, we're actually going to find the group that we just created in the last step. So I'm going to select Sample. And again, under Select, I'm going to tap Modified and tap that check mark. Going back to my gallery, I'm going to follow those same exact steps for my third preset. So now I have all three presets that I've downloaded saved into my preset menu. And to use these, just tap on one of the photos you'd like to apply the preset to, and scroll over to the presets option on this bottom menu. tap that presets option, and then you're going to search for the preset group that you created. So I created the group sample. I'm going to tap on that. And all of the 3 presets that I downloaded and saved are now here in this group. So to apply these presets, all I have to do is just tap on them, and you can see how each one changes the photo. When you find the one you like, just tap this check mark in the bottom right corner, and the preset is now applied to your image. At this point, your presets are installed and ready to use on any photo. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, feel free to drop me an email or a message if you run into any trouble following these steps.